welcome back to my channel. I'm Dimma. I film about food. You may consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Thank you. So today I'll be preparing smoky patty jollof rice. So for this recipe I'll be needing chicken, but I will introduce you to other of my ingredients as I go on with the cooking. So here I have my chicken here. It has already been washed and cleaned up. So in here I have all the ingredients I will be using to marinate the chicken. I'll be marinating the chicken for 1 hour or 2 hours depending on you. So what I will do is, first of all, have to transfer all these ingredients into this chicken and mix it well, then keep that in the fridge to marinate for some time before cooking. Thank you. I hope you enjoy watching this. So guys, I transferred the chicken into this pot because the bowl was too small. So I forgot to tell you the ingredients I'm using to marinate my chicken. Inside there we have thyme, curry, rosemary, seasoning cubes, seasoning powder, and mixed spices. So I'm done mixing the chicken. What I'll do now is I'll transfer the chicken into the bowl and keep that in the fridge to marinate for some time before cooking. So guys, I've just gone ahead to use the plastic film to cover the chicken. I'll go and keep this in the fridge and allow it to marinate. So guys, the chicken has really marinated well. I just took it out from the fridge now. I'll go ahead to boil it. The chicken is really cooking very well. So the reason why I marinated the chicken is to allow the chicken to absorb those spices I use in spicing it up. So it's optional. If you want to marinate your chicken, it's optional. If you don't want, you can still go ahead and spice it up and steam it before adding more water to it. So while the chicken is cooking, I'll go ahead to introduce you to the rest of the ingredient, which I'll be using the smoky patty jollof rice. So in here I have pepper. This is blended pepper, by the way. So this is thyme. This is mixed spice. So this is mixed spice as well. So this is also curry powder. So I'll be using this much of, and I equally have this 1 cube and this jollof spice. So I'll be needing this much of tomatoes, and I will be needing that much. Then 2 balls of garlic, 2 bulbs of onions, and this amount of ginger. So as well, we need oil to fry that up. So I'll be using groundnut oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I'm using this oil, groundnut oil. You can use any oil of your choice. So also here I have a mixture of red and yellow bell pepper. I've diced that up, like I've sliced them up. So what I'll do now is I'll go ahead to prep the rest of the ingredient. That is, blend the tomatoes, slice the onions, the ginger, and the garlic, and get other things ready. So I forgot to mention that you also need salt, of course, salt for taste. So let me go ahead and clean this and get this ingredients ready. So my rice on fire to parboil before so I can wash it off before adding. So I'm going to prep the rest of the ingredients. Here I have my fresh tomatoes, ginger, and the garlic and the onions. So I'm going to go ahead now and blend that up. A blend of tomato, garlic, pepper, and ginger. So I have to cook this until the water dries up because I need to get the paste. So I'll put this on fire now. I'll transfer the chicken into this tray. I'll go ahead and put that and pop that into the oven, allow it to grill. set my temperature to 250 centigrade, and I have to grill this for 40 minutes max. So I'll allow the tomato now to dry up very well before continue with the cooking. I'm using only one because I used half to marinate my chicken. And also I've added this jollof spice. So I'll add a little of it just to give it that unique taste of party jollof. Also, I'll just pour it in here. So that the aroma doesn't escape. The rice will absorb a sufficient amount. Make sure it's well covered like so. Then you have to reduce your heat so that it doesn't start burning without cooking properly. So the chicken is done now, and I've taken it off from the oven. Yes, you can see how sweet, how delicious, how tasty chicken. So guys, our food is ready. Who is hungry? Like, I can't wait to dig into this food. It's really looking tasty and yummy. I hope you do enjoy watching this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in my